Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing my produce delivery. This is from GFP Produce. I've been alternating every other week between GFP Produce and Misfits Market. I was just trying to figure out which of the two I liked better because I really do want to commit to just one full time. So without any further ado, let's get into the box. It didn't really come with much padding, mostly just a sheet of paper over the top this time. Taking a look inside. The first thing I pull out is a big bunch of radishes. Now the one thing that concerned me this week was I didn't really have any lead time on what I was getting, and unlike Misfits you can't customize it, so you kind of get what you get. Now here is a bunch of romaine lettuce. That's good. I was hoping I'd get some lettuce. I'm really big on salads, so this was good. Unfortunately, I didn't have a whole lot else to put in salads this week. Next up, eggplant. I don't really cook with eggplant much. I did use it to make some eggplant parmesan tonight. It was alright. I don't know if I'll make it again, but I needed to use it up, so there you go. Now I had a lot of produce in this order that was citrus, and 3 of the oranges were really smushy. Like you can see, like right there, my finger pretty much went right through a rotten spot, so I wasn't too impressed with that. And then there's more oranges. And like if this was Misfits, I would have customized my box so I didn't have quite so much citrus because I still have some oranges left from my last week's produce delivery. Next up we have some lemons. I guess I'll try to use those in a vinaigrette or something with my salad. They won't go to waste, but I'll have to think of some creative ways to use them. So next out are limes, another citrus fruit. Again, I'll probably use them in my bottled water and some vinaigrette. I do have a recipe for some cilantro lime vinaigrette. Maybe I can try that out. So next thing out are some kind of like plum aroma tomatoes. Now out of the 4, 2 of them were not in the best condition. They were very bruised and soggy and just like not suitable for use, unfortunately. The other 2 seemed pretty good though. Next up is turnips. I was actually happy to see turnips. I've been wishing I had turnips in one of my produce boxes, and this did not disappoint. I really love making like mashed turnips. You can mash them up just the same way you would as potatoes, and they taste really good. They're a little more fibrous, but they're delicious. And next up we had some potatoes. These are really large. I think I'll bake them up along with some meatloaf tomorrow night. That'll be good. And then finally here down at the bottom we have a pineapple. I think the amount of times I've bought a pineapple is probably never, but I'll cut them up tomorrow, and I think I'll make some teriyaki chicken in the crock pot, and I'll toss a few chunks of that in, and then we can just use the rest for snacking. Overall, I was a little sad about this produce box. I really wanted to like this company because their produce is first quality, not Misfit. But the cons of it are that you don't get to pick, you just get what you get. And usually they'll give you a heads up a couple of days before, but this week it was a little delayed, otherwise I would have opted out. At this point forward, I think I'm just going to cancel and move solely forward with Misfits from here on out. So every week I'll be doing a Misfits Market unboxing. I'll just lay out my produce again real quick just so you can see everything that I got. Again, not super satisfied this week, but it did help make my decision easier. Now, since I am moving forward with Misfits Market, I will put a discount code in the video description below. Misfits did tell us that this week through January 3rd as a New Year's special, the discount code will be worth 50% off your first box. That's the deal I opted in under, and it was a really good deal. It gave me a really cheap price to go ahead and try it out at. And if you don't like it, you can cancel after the first one. But like I said, I'm going to stick with it. I really like it. It's all organic and GMO free, and it's just, I found it to be a better fit for my household. I really like the fact that I can customize it and pick like mainly salad, veggies, and a few fruits and just make a nice mix. So this is my last one from the GFP produce. It'll go to use. None of it'll go to waste aside from the things that were rotted. And I will see you back next week with another unboxing. I hope you have a very happy new year. And thank you so much for stopping by again. Please subscribe and we'll see you next time.